Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Natasha Lynn. On Instagram, that's natasha.lynn. Before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Today we're going to be discussing the best edge control for 4C hair. Okay, I have 4B, 4C hair. I have some parts that's 4B, some parts that's 4C. I don't know, whatever it is. That's what I have, okay? So we're going to actually try these edge controls out. I found two that's like bomb. Like it's been years and years since I've been going through edge controls, and every edge control I've tried requires me to tie it down. And it's like, if you're out on the street and you need to like sleek something down, you can't tie it down because you're gonna look crazy. You know what I mean? So I'm trying to find an edge control that you don't have to tie down, and that is why we're here now. So I bought these two edge control baby a month or 2 months ago. It's the She Is Bomb Collection Fast Drying Edge Control, and it's by She Is Bomb. And this is what it looks like right here. I'm going to open it just so you see what it looks like inside. It looks dark, but it really does not show up dark on your hair at all. Okay? It just looks that way. And it's a little bit thicker than the other one that I'm going to show you now. Well, it looks a little bit thicker. This one is the I Am Blessed Hand Superior Edges Extra Hold. I got this on Instagram. I don't know if I can link an Instagram page below, but I'm going to link an Instagram page below, okay? If I can try. I'm going to try. This is the I Am Blessed Hand Superior Edges Extra Hold. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see that. I hope you can. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this on this side right here. And then we're going to put this on this side right here. I've tried both of these products out before, and my favorite... you know what? I'm just going to make you see it. I'm just going to make you see it. So we're going to push my hair back. Just going to kind of brush them out. Oh. And I have really thin edges. So I don't know if that helps. So there you go. And there you go. So we're going to push that back. Push it back, push it back, push it back. Okay. Boom. A boom. Okay, we have boom, and we have boom. Boom, and boom. No edges, but it's okay. Okay, all right, I'm done. I'm done. What we're going to use to apply both of these edge controls is this dirty toothbrush. I don't use it to brush my teeth. I just use it for my edges, and I've had black gel, green gel, yellow gel, Gorilla Snot, all that stuff up in here. So that's why it looks like how it looks, but that's okay. Doesn't matter. First thing we're going to do is this, because like I said, we're going to put it on this side. I wonder if I should put a clip in. I'm going to put a clip. Just so you can see it better. So this is what it looks like. This one, when you turn it over, you see nothing is coming out. No products are coming out. It's very thick. And like I said, it looks dark, but it really does not come out dark on your hair. We're going to just use the brush and kind of put it in there a little. And we're going to go ahead and put it on our edges. So let's see if you can see that. I'm not going to really hold it because I want you to be able to see it. And I've used these products before, and I've actually tested them all day. So I'll definitely give you a more in-depth review after you just see how I do it and see for yourself what it does, okay? So you can see that it's smooth and everything in here. And then you're supposed to brush it and kind of follow it with your fingers. So that's what I'm doing now. Okay. And I'm not big into baby hairs. I do a little 2 swoops, but nothing too crazy. Okay, so this is it. And this is what it looks like. I'm going to probably do a few swoops just to show you if you guys are into baby hairs and stuff. Just to show you how a few swoops look. And like I said, you saw how crazy my edges look before, and look. This shit is bomb. And it says make sure you use on clean hair. When it comes to gels, edge controls, anything, it really works best when you apply it on clean hair, because the oils and all that stuff kind of coats the hair and prevents the gel from really penetrating and getting it slick and sleek. So it's always a good thing to make sure that you are starting on clean hair, or you're going to have a problem. Your hair should always be clean anyways. You should be washing your hair, weekly, bi-weekly, whatever you do. So that's what over here looks like. We're going to do the other side now. And the other side, we're going to use the I Am Blessed Superior Edges Extra Hold. I showed you this before, but I'm going to show you again. And when you open this one is white. And this one is a little bit more pliable. Pliable meaning it's not as thick as the other one. But this shit's a beast, okay? It's a beast. So let's go ahead. I'm going to use the brush and just put it in there. We're not going to put too much. We're going to put the same amount as we put with the other one. And then, like I said, when you're going to follow the brush with your fingers just to smooth it in. Because this is the part, people don't understand, this is the part that gets your hair straight. They think, I'm going to put the edge control, it's going to be straight. No, you got to smooth it in because that's what gets your hair laid. If you don't smooth it in, it ain't going to do a darn doo-doo shit. Okay. So then once it goes down, I'm going to try to do a swoop or two. Just like I did for the other one. Swoop or two, swoop or two. Alright, and that's what that side looks like. This side looks like this. This one, the She Is Bomb. And this side, which is the I Am Blessed, looks like this. Alright, so just an in-depth review. When I first tried it, I assumed this one was going to be better just because this one was thicker. And I thought that, okay, because it's black, it's going to actually fill in my edges. Not at all. I actually do prefer this one. And I'm going to tell you why. So this one, when you touch it, it's firm, but it doesn't dry as fast. I think that's what it is. It really does not dry as fast, and it's not as firm as this side. You see how they both go on pretty much the same, but this one is already starting to wave up, and this one is staying the same. Even though I did put this on later than I did this, you're gonna see in a few minutes that literally this does not move. This literally sets. This, you put it on, that's what you're gonna get. You're gonna get straight. This one, like I said, it's really good because of course it keeps my hair sleek, but it does have a little curl to it as opposed to this one. This one is just straight. It is exactly how it is when you put it on and brush it in. You know what I mean? So I guess it kind of depends. But I definitely prefer this one. And this one is easier to smooth in because it's not as thick as the other one. And you can use way less of this. You can use way less of this. With this, I see that when I first tried it, obviously, I saw that I had to use more of this to kind of get the desired effect. And with this, you didn't have to. Another thing, they both smell edge control-y. They don't have no crazy smell. It smells like all your edge controls. And you don't have to tie these down. I literally tried them both on, and I had it on for like 6-7 hours. And of course, like I said, this curled up, and it was just a dub. Like, of course, it's still good for not tying it down, but if you tied it down, I'm pretty sure it would be 100 times better. But this, you don't need to tie it down. You don't need to smooth it in too long. It just works. It just works. Okay? And that's what I'm looking for. I'm trying to make sure I'm not tying stuff down, because what if I'm on the fly and I need to smooth something in? I don't want to have to tie it down every minute. I don't. So that's what it does. I'm going to do the rub test. So you have that here. That's what you see, and we're rubbing. So when I rub, hair is definitely move. There's hair definitely moves. And then when I rub over here, this is solid. They're both firm-ish, but still very soft, like very soft. But you know, there's product on there and it has a little bit of hold. So that's kind of the difference. Like I said, I do prefer this one, and I'm going to link them below. Let me know what you prefer. Let me know what you think and comment below. I'm just coming back to guys show you the final result. You see? You see how it's already curving? And it's only been 5 minutes. Look. It's already mother freaking curving. Curling, whatever you want to call it. And then over here, so you see it's sleek. You see it's sleek. Yeah. Want to see it? But yeah, this is it. Again, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Stay tuned for, videos in the future. Stay tuned for that. And let me know what you guys think below. All right. Bye, guys.